Welcome back to Summarize Science. We've all seen the incredible images AI can generate, but these systems are often like a black box, where we don't know what's happening inside. But what if you could open up the hood of an AI and start tweaking its engine directly? Well, in a new paper, researchers have developed a fascinating tool that does just that. Take a look at this interface they created. On the left, you can select different layers, which are like different parts of the AI's brain. In the middle, you can replace the AI's standard internal switches with special ones that have adjustable parameters, basically like complex digital knobs you can tune. Then, on the right, you get to see how the generated image changes instantly as you fiddle with those knobs. So, what does this actually do to the pictures? Here, the researchers use the Style GN2 model, which is excellent at making realistic human faces. The face on the far left is the baseline image. As they move to the right, they modify one additional layer at a time with one of their new parametric functions. You can see how tweaking the internal math subtly alters the fundamental structure of the generated face. And this is where it gets really interesting. By making more drastic changes, you can push the AI far beyond creating realistic images. This allows for the generation of unique, abstract, and even eerie imagery that you could never get from a simple text prompt. The researchers found that adjusting the early layers of the network caused major changes to the image's structure. Meanwhile, adjusting the later layers tended to change things in a more basic way, like shifting the overall color palette. This technique isn't just for faces either. They also applied it to another model called BigGN, showing it could alter images of things like these hamsters. Changing the parameters resulted in different textures, colors, and poses for the animal, showing this is a versatile method for controlling AI output. So let's recap the important points here. This research introduces a tool that lets anyone directly manipulate the internal wiring of an AI image generator. By using adjustable, parametric activation functions, users get a new, hands-on way to control the output. This matters for two main reasons. First, it's an amazing educational tool that helps demystify the black box of AI by letting you learn through play. Second, it opens up new avenues for creativity, allowing for trial-and-error exploration that can lead to unexpected and abstract art. In the future, we might see these kinds of deep-level controls integrated into creative software, giving artists an entirely new way to guide their AI tools. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.